we are going to understand about alt tag and image optimization. So what is this options under SEO and how we can rank through these process. So alt tag is just a name of the image, a proper name to image, because the thing is when crawler comes up, crawler will check your images. Sometimes crawler will not be able to find out the exact image meaning. So what crawler will do, crawler will check the alt tag. And now what is alt tag? Alt tag is just a name of image. So if you are uploading an image, you have to give a proper name so that crawler can easily understand your images and it can show up in search engine results. Then next we have image optimization. Image optimization means when you are uploading image in your website, then definitely you have to decrease the image size and then you can upload the image over the search engine, over the website, so that website will load faster. It will work faster so that people can easily navigate your websites. So for image optimization, if you want to upload less size images, then you can use a tool called High Compress. High Compress is an online tool. You just need to upload the image and it will decrease your image size till 80 to 90%. So that will be so good. You can use that particular tool. Now let's see some other options. Other factors of on-page SEO. So let's talk about keyword now. So because keyword is very really important in the website, especially for the ranking of the pages. So with related, we have 4 points: keyword, keyword proximity, keyword prominence, keyword density, and keyword density formula, keyword cannibalization. These points we are going to understand in this. First of all, keyword proximity. As the name says, proximity. Proximity means you should not use the keyword which is very far in your website. Far means if your keyword is digital marketing course in Bangalore, this is your exact keyword. But if you use this keyword like learn digital marketing course, it's coming up on one line, then in Bangalore is coming on second line and third line, it's coming like this. So it's not in one phrase. So you have to use this in one phrase. If you are using in complete one phrase keyword, then definitely Google will try to rank your page, keyword on this page. So that will be important, keyword proximity. Then second thing is keyword prominence. Prominence means important. Important means we are talking about keyword importance in the page. So if you want to rank your page in particular keywords, then those keywords which you have selected from keyword research, those keywords you have to use in these places. In your page, title, description, permalink, headline, alt tag, and content. So these are the important places. These are keyword prominence places in the page. If you use the keyword on these places, there is a chance that Google can rank your page. Then the next point is keyword density. Density means repetition of single thing. If you are repeating the single thing again and again, that we call density. So we are talking about keyword here. Keyword density. So how many times you should repeat the keyword in your page? As we call that, you have to repeat the keyword in the page content, but how many times? The number is not fixed. But the thing is, percentage, according to percentage, we can put the number of keywords. For example, you are using 1000 words in your page, or maybe 2000 words. So according to words, according to your number of characters in your page, number of words in your page, 1% to 2% keyword density you can use it, or minimum 0.5% to 2.5% keyword density you can use it. So if you have 1000 words in your page, you can use 5 keyword to 25 keywords. Between these, it means, let's say your keyword is digital marketing course in Bangalore, and this keyword you want to repeat in the content. So how many times you will repeat this keyword? Minimum 5 times, maximum 25 times. So you can use 18 times, 12 times, 13 times, that depends on you. But first of all, you need to count your words, how many words you have in your page. That we call keyword density. Let's check the formula of keyword density. As it says, you have 500 words in your page. You have to count it. Means you just copy it and paste into word counter. It will show you. And 5 times you are repeating the same keyword. So that keyword density is 1%. So this is how we can check out the keyword density. Do not go beyond 2.5% or 3% or 5%. It's not good. If you use multiple times the same keyword, then Google will not be able to rank your pages, because Google thinks that you are using some deceptive methods to rank your pages. So never ever do this. Try to use the keywords between 0.5 to 2.5%. Then we'll going for keyword cannibalization. It means if you have finalized the keyword for your page, then don't use the same keyword on multiple pages. If you use the same keyword on multiple pages, then Google will not be able to rank it. Because the thing is, in different pages, we write different information. According to information only, we'll finalize the keyword and we'll use the keyword in the page. For example, I have a page for social media, another page I have for email marketing. Third page I have for Android. So on social media, I'll use social media keyword. For other page like email marketing, I use email marketing keyword. So keyword should be relevant to page. Do not use the same keyword on multiple pages. It's not good. That process we call keyword cannibalization. Then next is URL canonicalization. Now, what is what is canonicalization? Canonicalization means if you have a URL, like example over here, www.rrbackers.com. If you have this website, when you open this website, when you click on the logo or home page, but it shows the URL like this, www.rrbackers.com/index.html. If it shows like this, but the page is same, 100% same, it means there is an error. So always when you open a website, you have to click on the logo and you have to find out that what is your main URL. Is it /index.html it's coming up, or same URL is coming up? If different URL is coming up when you click on the logo and when you click on the home page and same page will open up, it means it's a URL canonicalization error. The next thing is, if you type any URL with www and another type next time without www, when both the URL, one of the URL is coming with www, another is coming with non-w, then it means two URL and same page, that we call URL canonicalization error. Generally, this will not come in WordPress website. If you are creating a website in PHP, HTML and other languages, then it can come this kind of errors that we call URL canonicalization. So these are some small points, and now we will talk about major point here, content optimization. So as all the people, they say is that, in every SEO guys, they say is that content is the king. Why we call it king? Then who is the queen? So when we talk about backlinks, votes for the website that we call queens, it means that we work as a queen in SEO. Content, it work as a king. So it means when people comes up, why we are creating a website, main reason, because people comes to a website just to read information, just to understand the concept. So if you are providing some information in your page that is valuable for user, that will be more enough to rank the website. So in content optimization, when you are writing a content for your clients or for your customers, always think about the customer and then write the content. Don't make some grammatical error. Don't make spelling errors. Never ever copy the content from some other website and don't paste in your website. Don't write some higher level of English words. That's not good, because people will not be able to understand. Average people, they will not be able to understand. So never ever use this. Then never try. Don't write the longer paragraph. That is also not good. Like 10 lines paragraph, 20 lines paragraph. That's not good. Try to write paragraphs within 4 lines or 3 lines. That's enough, because people can easily understand. Try to write the content point wise so that people can easily understand. The thing which gives information that we call content. Content means it can be a video form, it can be in text form, it can be an infographic GIF form. So these things also you can use in your pages. If you are using all this in content, definitely Google will try to rank it. So the thing is, main important part is try to give your content in a good way, in a better way, so that people can easily understand it. Your content in the website. That's why we focus on content more. 50% all task of the SEO will be done by content only, and the rest of the thing you can use it other. So this is important. Content is really important part. Then let's talk about internal and external links. What is internal links? What is external links? So the thing is, when you go to any page, when you open any page and you try to read the information, sometimes you will find a link, an anchor text, a hyperlinks. But when you click on that, it will open another websites. So the thing is, like for example, I'm going to a website to understand about digital marketing, but in that website, a word is coming up, cloud hosting. But I don't know what is cloud hosting. But if I click on that link, that cloud hosting link, so that I can see the cloud hosting another page which is opening up, and I can read the cloud hosting information over there. It means when I'm going to a page which gives digital marketing information, but I don't know the word cloud computing or cloud hosting, so I can click and I can read it. It means that particular digital marketing page is helping me to understand the meaning of cloud computing or cloud hosting. That's very important. If you help user like this by giving an external link, then definitely Google will understand, yes, you are helping users, so Google will try to rank your pages. It's really better. That's why we give external links. To any other website you can give external links. You have to find out the better information of that particular words over the internet, and you can give an external link. Internal links, what we call internal links. Internal means within the website, if you are clicking on the link and same website is opening up, that we call internal links. So if you click on home, about us, contact us, it means all these are internal links only. External means when you click on the link, it will open another website that we call external links. So internal and external both are important, especially for the ranking purpose. If you are creating a page, you should give an external link, at least 1 or 2 external links to other website which should be a quality website. Internal links, you can give your own pages. If you have your information in your website, you can give it, that we call internal and external. So these are really important points according to SEO. Now let's talk about Robots.txt. So the thing is, in this one, this is the instruction file for crawler. Now when you create a page in your website, then definitely that particular page you want to show in search engine results. But the thing is, let's say you are creating 30 pages, but amongst 30 pages you don't want to show 5 pages in search engine results. So how I can tell crawler, or I can tell Google that don't show my 5 pages in search engine results? If you want to tell this to crawler, if you don't want to show your pages in search engine results, any specific page you have it, maybe for your personal pages you have it, then you can write an instruction in a simple file that we call a robots.txt file. It's just like a notepad, and you have to write an instruction in just 2 or 3 lines. Google crawler, when comes up to check your website, first of all crawler will check the robot file, and after that crawler will get into your website. So whatever you write in robot file, crawler will see that, crawler will understand it, and then crawler will follow these rules. So it's just like a front door of the house. So when crawler comes up, it will read this first. This is like a notice for crawler. If robot.txt says that don't read these 5 pages, don't show these 5 pages, then crawler will understand it, and crawler will not show that particular 5 pages in search engine results. So you have to specify the name of those in robot.txt. We'll see the practical part of robot.txt. Let's go to WordPress website. This one. Alright. This is the WordPress website, I have it. I want to create a robot.txt and I want to hide some pages. So I'll click on Yoast SEO. Under Yoast I have tools. Let it open. Alright, so after clicking on SEO and tools, you can find out here file editor option. Just click on this and you can create a robot files in your website. So you can give an instruction to crawler that these are the important page for you and you don't want to show the pages in search engine results. Like as written over here, you can see user agent, that is robot.txt file. User agent star, it means user agent means which crawler you want to allow in your website. So if you mention star, it means all the crawler can come to your website and they can crawl your pages and they can show your pages in search engine results. If you want to allow only Googlebot, you have to write over here Googlebot, then only Googlebot can come up. But generally we mention star, it means every crawler can come up and they can check our pages. Disallow, as WordPress default it's providing / this website address wp admin. You know, when you log into WordPress website, you will type this address wp-admin. So once you type this admin page that you don't want to show in search engine result. Why? Because this is a login page and login page we don't show to users. This is for admin only. So disallow colon and then page address. It means this page will never show up in search engine result because crawler will come up, crawler will see this and crawler can understand that yes, disallow this particular page. It means never ever show this page in search engine result page. So this is how we can create a file of robot.txt. If you want to check the robot.txt in Google, let's take example. Like if I go to Java training in Bangalore. Alright. So when I type this one, you can find out some websites are coming up like this one, feta.in. Open this. I want to check the robot.txt file for this particular website. So I can type website address. After that, robots.txt. And after that, you can see some instruction over here that what are the pages they are not showing in search engine results. Let's see. Disallow demo 2 page. demo 3 page and demo page. It means they never want to show this particular pages because they are working on these pages and they are just changing something, they are doing it on their website. So they don't want to show it, that's why they have mentioned disallow. So Crowdo will never show these demo pages in search engine results. Even if you are creating some pages only for you, you can mention these addresses in disallow or in Robot.txt. So this is how you can create Robot.txt file in your website. Even for the other websites or any other website, you can write URL/robots.txt. Let's go back to slide. Alright. Robots.txt. It's not that important. If you want to show your all pages in search engine result, definitely you can show your all the pages. If you are not creating, that is also fine. But if you have some privacy issue, if you want to hide something, then you can use this Robot.txt file. Okay, so next option we'll be seeing in next videos. Thanks for this video.